Stuck on code? Whether you're debugging errors, writing scripts, or learning a new language, ChatGPT is here to help. Let's see how you can turn it into your ultimate coding assistant. Got an error in your code? Don't worry. Just copy your code and paste it into ChatGPT along with the error message. It's a quick and easy way to get immediate help. ChatGPT will pinpoint the issue and suggest a fix in seconds, saving you hours of frustration. No more endless searching through forums or documentation. It even breaks down the problem step by step so you can understand what went wrong and avoid similar mistakes in the future. This way, you not only fix the current issue but also learn and grow as a programmer. New to coding or exploring a different language. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to expand your skills, learning to code can be challenging but incredibly rewarding. ChatGPT can teach you the basics and beyond. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, ready to help you understand complex concepts and solve problems. For example, ask, "How do I create a loop in JavaScript?" And you'll get an example with an explanation tailored to your level. It breaks down the steps, making it easy to follow and understand. From syntax to best practices, ChatGPT helps you learn by doing, offering real-time feedback and suggestions. This hands-on approach ensures you grasp the fundamentals while also learning advanced techniques, making complex coding concepts simple and approachable. With ChatGPT, you can build confidence in your coding abilities and celebrate your successes along the way. Already have a working script but want to improve it? Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, enhancing your existing code can be a game changer. Simply paste your code into ChatGPT and ask for optimization tips. It's like having a coding mentor available 24/7. Whether it's making your code faster, shorter, or more readable, ChatGPT offers practical solutions. You'll be amazed at how much cleaner and efficient your code can become. Plus, ChatGPT can recommend advanced techniques and libraries to take your code to the next level. Imagine integrating cutting-edge libraries and techniques that you might not have discovered on your own. ChatGPT isn't just for debugging or learning. You can use it to generate boilerplate code, write comments, or even get insights into how APIs work. It's like having an AI co-pilot for your projects. With ChatGPT, coding becomes less intimidating and more fun. Debug, learn, and improve with your AI coding buddy. Give it a try and take your skills to the next level.